can't turn back now. We know how this will go. It's so sad that I'm leaving. I just don't see no other way. And it seems like you feel the same. Could have had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, yeah, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave. I don't want you. When you're making me feel this way, like I'm the one to blame. Nah, bringing it all up. It's time to get out. Everything.
Are y'all ready for another adventure? Because we're about to have one. We're about to take a 4-day trip to Mexico City. And you already know it's going to be a solo adventure because that's the best ones, right? Right. I'll meet y'all on the plane.
Different, I know how this will go. I'm so sorry for leaving. I can't even believe it. Maybe we'll meet again. Could have had everything, but
y'all already know I'm always have a window seat, even if I gotta pay for it. This is gonna be a very short flight. It's only like 2.5 hours, so I feel real good about it. We'll be there in no time. No need for a nap. I'll meet y'all in Mexico City. You know how I thought we was about to go to Mexico, y'all? You know how I thought we was going to Mexico City today? Yeah, we're getting off the plane because something wrong with the plane. And they said they're not taking their plane down to Mexico if they can't fix it when they get down to Mexico. So we get off the plane. I don't know if we're canceled or just delayed. They're going to send us another plane. But I know one thing. Y'all gonna know. Y'all gonna know. We got to get off the plane right quick. Y'all, we are off the plane and we got a new plane. That's the good news. At least we got a new plane. I was like, I'm not gonna drive home. It's a whole hour away. But no, we got a new plane, y'all, and it's boarding in like 17 minutes. So we have plenty of time to get over there and get on it. I feel good about it. As long as we're going today, I feel real good about it, y'all. Anyway, I'm gonna see y'all on the other plane. We boarding the second plane. Fingers crossed that this one makes it to Mexico.
had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, yeah, you know that I won't do that.
Y'all, we made it to Mexico City. Now we just got to get through immigration and find a door an Uber. Y'all, we made it through immigration. Now we just need an Uber, but I'm debating. Do I want to get some currency exchange at the airport? Because last time I didn't do it, I needed it. $20 or something. Now, I did look it up. It said that digital currency works just fine here, but we might need a little cash just in case. You know, tips, little adventures we go on. Maybe they only take cash. I don't know, but I'm feeling like we're going to exchange some money and then we're going to go ahead and get us a door an Uber, aren't we? And we are. Meanwhile, we made it, y'all. We made it after the delay. Y'all, we were supposed to be here at like 12. It's almost 4 p.m. But you know what? We're here, and that's all that really matters. Right. You know what? I think I see some currency exchange over here. Let's go get some. The rate just don't be rating, do it. Anyway, we get what we have to get. You know what? We end up finding a reasonable, and I'm saying reasonable, I don't know, but I feel like we found a reasonable money exchange. All I got was $20 worth of pesos, and I think it was like 324 pesos. Yeah, that was $20 worth. I was like, that should be enough, because if we're using our card most of the time, then what more do we need? We just need emergency money. Anyway, let's go get us an emergency Uber. Y'all, we called our Uber and it's about $10. It's like $9.87. But I chose a woman driver, so we're gonna wait like 13 minutes for her. Could we have had a quicker driver? Yes. But anytime I can get a woman driver, we're choosing a woman driver. And I already know you're saying, is Uber the best thing to take? That's what I researched. And it said Uber is the safest, and a woman driver, I feel even better about it. So, and also $10 for a ride, like I feel real good about that. I do. Anyway, we waiting on our ride, y'all. It's real cute out here, huh? Look. So colorful. Anyway, let me find a seat. Y'all, our Uber is here. I'm gonna meet y'all at the hotel. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs.
what you want. Why don't we just get a place together?
Y'all, we made it to the hotel, and I'm not gonna tell y'all, we got a Popeyes right beside our door in the hotel. How convenient. Girl, you didn't come here to eat Popeyes. I don't know, I might. So we back at the ibis. I think it's ibis or ibis Styles Hotel because I like it. So I decided to book it again. Anyway, let's go check in. Look how cute this is. I got a little treat with my check-in. Anyway, let's go to the room, y'all. I think we're on the first floor, y'all. Let's get the card out. I wonder, can I press it without that? No. You gotta have a card to get in any floor.
The end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day.
Y'all, we got another cozy room. You know what cozy mean, right? Right. It's a little tiny, but I love the layout of this room, y'all. Really maximize this space. Let me show y'all. So we just gonna start at the door, y'all. Already when we walk in the door, I'm on the door right now. This is where you put your luggage at and your clothes. This is like a little closet. Y'all see our closet here? Yeah, this is our closet. We got hangers, don't we? It's a closet then. But also, we can put our luggage there. We feel good about that. And if y'all come up here, we have some dry towels. I feel real good about that. The real question is, do they have any bathing towels? Do they have any bath towels? Because that's the ones we be needing. Oh, I think I see one. Maybe this is just a dry towel, because here go the sink, y'all. Look at the sink. Is the sink right by the closet and the door? Yeah, girl, it is. Here we go. This is our sink. We got a little mirror here, and we have a little towel here. We got a dryer. So I guess this is like a little studio. That's what we gonna call it, y'all, little studio. Because you know the studio be having everything in one room. Right. Let's look at the rest of the room. So once we pass up the sink over here, y'all, and the dryer, we have a little desk area, and we got a door TV. We feel real good about having a door TV, y'all. Because y'all remember that one time we didn't have one? Yeah, we got one, y'all. And it's pretty big too. Y'all see that? What is this little thing up here? Is that a clock? It looks like a game. Like, are we throwing darts up there? What are we doing? I don't know, y'all. Oh, let's see how many plugs we got already. Okay, already we have the outlets that we need, y'all. We got the American outlet and we have the USB. I feel real good about that. Let's turn some more lights on. Oh, it's a light. Look at there. We have a menu. We're going to look at that, but we have Popeyes next door. So a little late night Popeyes ain't never hurt nobody, and it has. But we got one next door, so I don't know what we going to do while we here. I don't know, y'all. But anyway, y'all see the rest of the room because we already in it. Look over here, y'all, to the right. And to the right over here, we have the bed. Oh, I like that little decor in the back, y'all. I love a color. I love the colors of it all. And I love this because I like to sit up and eat in bed. Y'all see that? This is perfect. Does this move? Let's see. Oh, it's on wheels, so it do move. This was a nice little touch they put on there. I feel good about that. I do. Y'all, they also have a water. Is this water complimentary? I wasn't even paying attention. I just seen the little table over the bed, and I was excited about that. But let's see what kind of water this is. What y'all got going on? Is this in English? No, it's in Spanish, y'all. I feel like it say this water is free. You can drink it. It's on us. That's what I feel like it says. Later, I'm going to look at ChatGTP and make sure, but I feel like this water is free, y'all. Oh, it says it's refillable. You see that word at the bottom? I feel like that say refill. It don't, y'all, but still. Yeah, that's our water. That's our 2 glasses. We got the things we need. Like I said, yeah, right. So here's the bed over here. What else we got going on? Oh, they got more outlets, y'all. They got some USBs. Oh, we can turn some more lights on. Okay, now let's get all our lights on. And then on this side, okay, they didn't have nothing on this side, y'all. Is that just the light? Okay, it's probably just another light. We turned all the lights on, y'all. We turned all the lights on, but this is cute. Y'all see the little lights above? That's kind of cute. Hold on. Behind us, we have a full-length mirror, and we feel real good about that, don't we? And we do. Ain't nothing like getting dressed and knowing what you look like from head to toe. I feel real good about that. So, nice little touch. It's like they gave us everything we needed, and this was a really good deal, so I feel real good about it, y'all. You know, all I ever want is for the room to be clean, and I want free breakfast, pretty much. A clean room and free breakfast, and safe. We on to something. Anyway, we looking at the bathroom. Y'all want to see that? So here's the bathroom right here. They have a separate area for the toilet. And then I guess this is going to be the shower over here, y'all. Let's open it up. Yep. Y'all, what kind of shower is this? It's like this is for one person, y'all, because once you get in here, things get real tight. Do they have a towel in here though? I don't see no towel, y'all. I don't see no towel. So I'm really happy that we brought our own because we already know that we need our own most places we go. But yeah, that's the room, y'all. That's how we got. Oh, y'all didn't see the view. We on the first floor, so it's not like we have a city view, but we kind of do have like a little street view. Y'all want to see it right quick? Well, look. I mean, can y'all even see that? Y'all probably can't even see it. What is this on the window? I can't see nothing. Is there a way to remove that? Anyway, if y'all look real close, y'all can see a little street view over there. So that's what we got. We got us a little street view. I feel good about it. I do. Y'all, when I seen this room online, I was like, you know what? That room has everything we need. Now, I didn't know how small or how big it was, but I seen a bed. I seen a shower. I seen the things we needed. And I was like, oh, and it's like bright. I love a bright room. So I felt real good about this. If y'all did not watch the Pack With Me video, this trip to Mexico City is 4 nights, y'all. Flight and hotel included. I think it was like $647 or $674, something like that. Just know it was $600 and something for 4 nights. So of course I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and book that right quick. We ain't never been to Mexico City before. We wanna know what Mexico City has to offer. What kind of adventures do Mexico City have to offer? And we're about to find out, y'all. But this is our first day here. You know, we had little dilemmas getting here, but we're here now, and that's all that matters. And you know what? I don't never mind the dilemmas. I don't never mind the delays, because you know what? It's always an adventure over here. It is. I feel good about all the adventures. All we doing is just stacking up memories. But anyway, y'all seen the room. I don't know if we're gonna get out and about. It's supposed to rain every single day that we here, and I don't feel good about that, but that's not gonna keep us from being outside, is it? And it ain't. But I'm gonna go ahead and freshen up and see what we're gonna get into this week, and I will talk to y'all later. So thank y'all so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, hype, and also hit that notification bell so you know every time I post. I love y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow, and we're gonna get into some adventures. Bye, y'all.
Leaving the house sometime before 3. Spark loaded me
We have
up.
to have 1 dirt road per day at
No
least.
dirt
We have
road
to.
streets. She gon' get 7 minutes. Find a deal on a cruise. Take a solo trip to Bali. She'll show you that too. Like. Share. Got the good job.
I'll meet y'all
I'll
over there.
meet you over there.